To set up this true position jig, I'll actually screw the handle on. So now I got the handle screwed onto my jig here. I'll center the handle using these measurements. I got it centered. Lock down these screws. And now this goes on here. And this controls how far in my handle is going to be drilled at. I drilled the handle 1 3/4 in from the outside, so we set this up at 1 3/4. Using these measurements, 1 3/4. Now we just need to set the height. How far are we coming down on the door? I came down 2 inches. So we'll slide this piece on. We'll measure from this hole to this 2 inches. And we'll lock it in. Now I got my true position jig set up. I'm gonna take out the screws on the handle. And now it's gonna be a lot easier to drill the rest of the handles. I'll show you. I'm gonna put the tapered bit back in. And now all I have to do is line this up with the bottom of the door, this on the outside of the door, and drill the 2 holes. We just flip the jig over. And I could drill this side. A lot faster with the true position jig than it is to measure out each individual hole. Now we just have to put the screws in and screw on the handle. Handles are super easy with this true position jig. Handles.